We're about an hour into the US session here on Thursday, and the tape has a very stock and specific feel to it so far. Pockets of sharp momentum, but no single macro headline driving the bus. Let's bring a little clarity to the chaos in this first hour. The clearest move on the board this morning is in cannabis. According to reporting from MarketWatch's Victor Reclatus, marijuana stocks are jumping after word that former President Trump is set to sign an executive order that would reclassify the drug at the federal level. Names like Tilray and Canopy Growth are among the big early winners. Traders tend to treat this sort of regulatory shift as a straight sentiment and access story. If the rules ease, it can open doors for banking, listings, and institutional participation. The flip side, of course, is that these are historically volatile, headline-driven stocks, so short-term moves can be extreme in both directions. In the background, the AI and chip theme is still humming. MarketWatch highlights Micron after what they're calling its NVIDIA moment, a dramatic earnings beat and upbeat commentary around being a major beneficiary of the AI boom. Even if you're not trading Micron itself, professionals are watching whether stronger demand for high-bandwidth memory and AI infrastructure spills over to the broader semiconductor space and keeps that leadership baton in tech's hands. We're also seeing healthcare and related stories bubble up, even if they're not all directly on the tape yet. One piece from Jamie Lee runs through the rising cost of measles outbreaks for the U.S. system, over $16,000 per case, and another details a new wave of obesity drugs from Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk, moving closer to patients as filings hit the FDA. Together, those headlines keep the spotlight on vaccines, public health funding, and the GLP-1 weight loss category, themes that have been powerful drivers of certain pharma and biotech names all year. Traders will be watching to see if that narrative re-energizes the group into the afternoon. There's also an important undercurrent in the AI story on the labor side. Amy Eliza Wong, writing for MarketWatch, points out that trying to force workers into AI adoption by playing on fear of job loss can backfire. For markets, this isn't just a human resources angle. It feeds into how quickly enterprises actually implement AI tools, which in turn affects revenue ramps for the big software and cloud players. Slower adoption would mean more of a grind higher than a straight-line rocket for some of these names. Into the next hour, I'll be watching three things: whether the cannabis rally broadens out beyond the first movers or fades as traders lock in fast gains, how Micron trades as the AI memory narrative gets digested and analysts update their models, and whether any of these healthcare and weight loss drug headlines start to show up more clearly in sector performance rather than just in the news flow. I'm Grant Mercer, and this is Storm Stock Solutions. Remember, this is information and education, not personalized financial advice. As always, I'll be here to keep clarity through the chaos of these markets. On behalf of Storm Stock Solutions, I'm Grant Mercer. Stay sharp, stay steady.